Okay, and let me come back because I've been getting a lot of questions about how do I put on lashes. Girl, I still be struggling with them. I'm just gonna be keeping it 100. But I select some lashes that will, even though they might look big, sometimes you want a dramatic look, and then there are times where you want a natural lash. Let me see if I can find my lashes. I had a lash drawer. Like, for instance, you can find some lashes from TJ Maxx, and in my opinion, these are considered kind of like natural because they're not long and, you know, obnoxious looking. Or you can, I don't know what's this on my box, but you can get you some lashes from, I think these are from Target. No, they're from Walmart. And you can get you some natural cluster lashes, and where it has like the sections where it won't look so match. You know, I don't like mask, help me Lord, I don't like lashes that look like matches where it's all one length, you know. Or if people are getting their lashes done and they're like all one length, I think it should have like some kind of gradient to it where it's shorter in the inner and gets longer and then it tapers off. That's just my opinion. I'm not a lash queen. I just know what I like and how it looks. You can just pick any kind of lashes, and if you got to put them on your eye, like close your eye and look down, and you just put them like how you would wear them. Make sure it's not over the corner, and you make sure it's not too close to the inner. And once you put them on, if they're too big, make sure you have some scissors. They sell these at Walgreens, they sell these at TJ Maxx, and you just like cut the ends of the lashes if they're too long. Don't cut the inner corner because they usually have it where it's shorter in the inner corner than it is on the outer. Okay, so you might say, well, which ones go on which eye? Well, they have them where it's longer on the end and shorter on the inner. So this right here is what I do. You can use duo glue, and that's the only glue that I see right now. They have a quick dry, which is like the white. And now that I'm talking to y'all, I didn't know that I was gonna be doing like a lash tutorial, but I had some in here somewhere. Here's some House of Lashes. This is from Sephora. This is pretty good. You can also purchase this on the House of Lashes website, but this is also an eyelash adhesive, and it's really, really good. So I'm going to use Duo today, and you just apply it to the band. And today I'm probably going to be going to Ulta because Pretty Cute Nurse, or Little Miss, I always mess it up. I know she's a nurse and she has good content, and she's here on YouTube. Pretty Cute Nurse, or Little Pretty Girl. I'm gonna put it right here because I don't want to butcher it. So once I put this on the lash band, wait, let me finish what I was saying because I'll be going 100 miles per hour. I'm gonna go to Ulta because they have something from Kiss that I heard is good. It's like a lash glue and a liner, if I'm not mistaken. Is that what it is? I hope that's what it is because I'm about to go to the store and find out. And I might take y'all with me. But yeah, this right here, you just put this on the lash band and you just let it get tacky. You let it dry. Okay? So if you put this on somebody else's lashes, don't you be blowing on their lashes. But since it's mine, I can blow on it. You just let it get tacky. So while that is drying, I usually take it in one hand and I use the glue and put it on. And I put some more glue. So while that is drying, I just put it between my fingers and I put some more on another lash. Just to save time. You don't want to be sitting here waiting on lash glue to dry. So I'm going to take this, sit this down, and it should be dry. So I look down. Some people use tweezers, some people use eyelash, whatever, but I just look down and I put it right in the center and I lay it on the lash line. and I push it in like so. And once I do that, I open up my eyes, make sure it's there, and then I just start pressing my lash with the false lashes so it could blend like that. Okay, so that's how I do my lashes. And then I get some mascara and I do the bottom lashes very lightly. I didn't put any eyeshadow on the bottom of my lashes. I think I got enough going on, but I do like to have a little inner corner highlight, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of this bronze in the inner corner. Like so. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the other lash, blow on it a little bit, and I'm gonna put it on this eye. I hope y'all, let me move my hair, y'all can see. Make sure you have it like right above your lashes, right there, and you put it in and you press. Make sure it's in and you press. Be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day. Take your time. Make sure you got those inner corners, those outer corners. Press in, just press down. You'll get it like so. And you just bat your lashes. Make sure they're on. If they come off, so what? A lot of people had eyelash malfunctions. It's okay. It is what it is. You can keep you some glue in your purse just in case, and a little mirror, but no biggie. So I'm going to put some of this highlight in the center, I'm sorry, in the inner corner, like so. Yeah, I love this stuff. This is like bomb. You can put this anywhere, your body, your eyes, your face. Give it a little shimmer. And this will be my look